Here's how I make 10K per month as an 18-year-old high school dropout using just my phone and TikTok. So this is 10K profit, by the way, not revenue, profit, because this revenue number right here really does not affect me with what I do. And this is in less than an actual 30-day period. So it's not even a full month. Now, if you don't recognize this app, if you don't recognize this screenshot, that's okay. I'm going to break it down for you. So the way I did this was with being a TikTok shop affiliate. Now, if you haven't heard of that, if you don't know what TikTok shop is, it's probably because you're living under a rock, because it's a literal gold rush right now. It's like drop shipping back in 2016, and it's still early. Now, just so you can understand how massive an opportunity this is, let me break it all down for you. So if you don't know already, TikTok shop is TikTok's version of Amazon. It's their e-commerce side of the app where brands can sell their physical products directly on the app. Now, here comes the crazy part and what makes this such a massive deal. So TikTok, as you know, has been basically the #1 social media app for years now. 5 years ago, though, most consumers, and I'm sure even yourself, if you wanted to get an answer to a question, if you wanted to find a new location, or if you wanted to get a review on a restaurant, if you wanted to get a review on a product, really anything, you would go to Google, right? #1 search engine. Recently, though, and over the past couple years, TikTok has been taking over Google as a search engine. So most consumers, when they want to find answers to their questions, if they want to find reviews, basically anything, instead of going onto Google, they are going straight to TikTok to find the answers to their questions and get a quick video response that they could visually see from another real person. So TikTok as a social media platform has literally taken over Google as the #1 search engine for consumers. Now, to make it even crazier, TikTok has their shop feature now where they are literally competing and trying to take over Amazon. So if you couldn't piece that together already, TikTok is already the #1 social media app. It's becoming the #1 search engine, and it's also going to become the #1 platform for shopping for consumers. So instead of consumers going onto Google to find the answers to their questions or going on Amazon to find the best deals or the best products, they'll be able to go on TikTok and have the best search results and the best experience because they're finding videos and reviews and products from normal everyday people that are just like them. So as you can imagine, that's a massive, massive opportunity for brands who sell these physical products to jump on and join TikTok. Now, you're probably like me and you don't have tons of experience or mass amounts of capital to go off and start your own brand and get stock and put it on there, right? But there's an even bigger opportunity that requires basically no startup capital, very little skills, and skills that you can learn very easily, which is becoming a TikTok shop affiliate creator. And that's how these brands are actually making money on TikTok shop. They're not running ads. They're not paying UGC creators. They are completely making all of their money basically from TikTok shop affiliates, which is where you as a TikTok creator can become an affiliate, which is going to allow you to promote any of these brands products, different brands products. You don't have to stick to just one. And anytime somebody purchases through your content directly on the app, you earn a commission, a percentage of that sale. You're probably wondering, how are affiliates even making that much money though if most of the products on TikTok shop are like 10, 20, 30, 40, $50? But you also have to remember the virality of TikTok. So you can get in front of a lot of people. So those little numbers very quickly start to add up. Like I said, you don't really need much capital to start or really any at all. You just need a US based TikTok account with 5,000 followers. Now you're probably like, whoa, I don't have 5,000 followers. How am I going to get that? That's going to take months. It can if you don't know what you're doing. Now, I'm not going to make this video about that, but you can very easily get 5,000 followers in just a few days, maybe a week tops. If you want to see another video on that, I can do that. It's super easy to get to 5,000 followers. That way you can become an affiliate and start making money. Now, again, once you do become an affiliate, any content that you create promoting a brand's product, anytime somebody buys, you as the creator earn a commission and a percentage of that. So the two types of content and the two types of ways you can make money on TikTok shop as an affiliate is with videos and live streams. Now, it's probably going to piss some people off and a lot of people are going to disagree with me. That's okay. You can talk your shit, but in the beginning, do not focus on videos. Yes, videos are amazing because one viral video can change your life. But the thing is, even though all the gurus preach at the beginning to post 2, 3, 4, 5 videos per day because all it takes is one video to change your life, in the beginning, that's like trying to get a lottery ticket, dude. You do not want to be posting videos for days, weeks, months before you make any money because yes, that is a skill you can learn. You can learn to go viral. But for the mass majority of people, you do not know how to currently go viral, so it could take you months to learn that skill or just get lucky. You don't want your entire income to be based off of luck. Now, just for clarification, I'm not saying videos are bad or to not do videos at all. Videos are way more lucrative than what I'm about to talk about, but that skill takes a bit longer to learn for most people. Now, you should still be doing videos while you're currently doing this. But the way I got to 10K per month, basically none of that money came from videos. It all came from TikTok Shop live streams, which is exactly what it sounds like. I literally just sit there and live stream talking about the product for hours and hours. Yes, this is lower leverage, but the thing is, it's a lot quicker to get to work and it's much more consistent, especially in the beginning while you're trying to learn that skill of videos. And with this consistency and it being a lot less lucky, I was able to actually speed run to 10K per month in less than an actual full month. So one of the many reasons live streams are so powerful is because a lot of the traffic that you're going to get for the live stream is already warmed up traffic. So it's traffic and viewers who have already seen the product that you are promoting, so they're a lot easier to convert and turn into sales because a lot of that traffic is coming from people's already made viral videos of people who just didn't buy from that video, so it's a lot easier to convert them. Now, I can make a much more in-depth video on basically every single one of these steps and everything I talked about in this video, but this is just to get this in your head so that you can understand the massive opportunity that this is. So step one into getting live streams to work, you just need to find a product, because the overall goal for live streams and getting to 10K, 15K per month with live streams is finding a product that you can get to work for you and becoming the #1 live creator for that product. Now, there is a methodology and science behind this, but you still may have to do a bit of testing. You might not find the best product for you on that first try, but the thing is, it's not like drop shipping. It's not going to take you months and months of product testing to find one. Once you do find a solid product, the next thing that you have to do is test that product and see if you can actually get it to work for you. After that, you literally either find the product that does work for you, or you continue that process until you do find one that works for you. And after that, you double down and you become the #1 creator for that product. If you have any questions, follow and DM me on Instagram. I'm also going to be posting some more in-depth guides on each of these topics that I talked about in this video, so that way you can start making money as a TikTok Shop affiliate. So subscribe for more of this content.